Hey guys, this is a quick video for those of you that might be having this issue. I got a brand new iPhone here as a replacement because I was having a problem with it missing calls. And that's a whole nother issue and probably a whole nother video. But the problem that I had is when I got this iPhone, when I was doing dictation and I used Siri, it would punctuate properly. But when I was in notes or messages and I tried to dictate to it, I couldn't get it to actually make a period. It would just type the word. Let me show you an example here. This is a test, period. And you can see that it put the word rather than the actual punctuation. So the problem persisted. I called Apple. They weren't able to help me. I was all over the internet and YouTube, changing all types of settings. And what they told me to do was go into our setup here, general, and then make sure that your language and region was set to English and United States, and I made sure all of that was correct, and it was. They said, well, then change it, your language to English UK, and then reboot the phone, and then change it back to English US. None of that worked. What ended up actually working for me is this. And by the way, before I do that setting, just in case this doesn't work for you, here's a quick workaround. Somehow my keyboard was the culprit, but in your case, in case you try this and it doesn't work, this is how I got it to make a period. This is a test, full stop. So apparently in the UK, the word full stop is used to make a period. That is something that I did find online. Now I'm going to just go back here to our settings. I'm going to go back into general. I'm going to go into keyboard, and I'm going to say keyboards. There's two of them. You can see mine is United States or United Kingdom English. And I'm going to add a new one. And if you notice at the top here, it's actually suggesting that I have the United States one. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to edit and get rid of the United Kingdom one. And I'm going to make sure that the United States one is set to QWERTY, because that's what we use most of the time. And now watch, when I go back into notes and we do a new line here, this is a test, period. And the problem was solved. So hopefully this solves your problem if you're having that issue. If not, the workaround is to use the word full stop. I mean, I tried all the keyboards, Espanol, and I even changed it to, things that I could recognize so I could set it back. But this ended up being my issue. It was actually the keyboard, had nothing to do with the region or the language settings. Okay, so best of luck. Hopefully this works for you. Bye.